Begin your coding journey with one small step into CodeClubWorld, a free online platform that helps you make cool stuff using code. Whether you're a newbie or a little more experienced, you set the speed of your learning. Explore the many different islands to learn how to make games, art, music and so much more.
Every adventure needs an adventurer. Create your own robot avatar, like me.
Then design a t-shirt for them.
Ooh, that looks great.
Celebrate your new look with some dance moves.
Want to bust moves to a different song? Then simply make your own music.
Unleash the power of block-based coding in Scratch.
Then level up to text-based coding in Python.
Earn a badge for each project you complete. Build up your collection, proving your coding skills.
Remix your friends' projects and share your coding creations with the CodeClubWorld community.
You can access CodeClubWorld on your computer, your tablet or your mobile phone.
Learn, make, together, anywhere! Whee!
Visit CodeClubWorld.org to get started on your coding journey.